Are you looking for the best underwater cameras? In this video, we will look at some of the best underwater cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sony Alpha 7RV. The Sony Alpha 7RV is an intelligent, workhorse mirrorless camera, and paired with our best overall housing, the iClight 200DL underwater housing, it will render you extremely well equipped for photographing beneath the surface. As the latest addition to the interchangeable Alpha series line, the 7RV offers incredible resolution, superior autofocus, 8K cinematic video capabilities, and much more. It has the highest resolution sensor for a full-frame mirrorless camera, making it especially attractive to serious photographers. Its lightweight design is ideal for swimming around, and the image stabilization this camera offers is extremely helpful when trying to take photos in this type of dynamic environment. The 10 frames per second (FPS) continuous shooting and low light capabilities are an underwater photographer's dream, where darker conditions and moving marine life are common. A solid battery life of 530 shots per charge and dual card slots are the cherries on top. With such a well-rounded camera performance, underwater photographers will find the Sony Alpha 7RV well-suited for shots that range anywhere from wide-angle to macro and everything in between. Number 2. Minota 48MP dual-screen waterproof digital camera MN40WP. The small but fierce Minota MN40WP waterproof dual-screen digital camera is a fantastic budget-friendly option for underwater photography and video. As a bonus, it comes in fun colors like pink, red, and turquoise. The built-in wide-angle and zoom lens capabilities offer versatility when taking images beneath the surface, and with 48 megapixels, you'll be able to crop the photo without losing too much image quality. The dual-screen, front and back, design is perfect for not only taking photos and video, but also for capturing selfies while enjoying your water-based adventures. Other fun features include panoramic mode, face and smile detection, and anti-shake capabilities. Whether spending a day at the pool, beach, or going on a short snorkeling endeavor, this Minota camera is a solid choice. Number 3. Panasonic Lumix DMC TS30. We love that this classic point-and-shoot Panasonic Lumix is still at the top of its class for underwater photography, despite being around for years. Waterproof up to 26 feet, it's versatile enough to use for snorkeling or even low-depth free diving. HD video recording is great for capturing short movies of your time exploring the marine world. Photography-wise, the advanced underwater mode has the technology to make up for the lack of red tones in underwater shooting, allowing your imagery to look more natural. Additionally, you can bring this on a cold water venture as it's freeze-proof to 14 degrees Fahrenheit. And, as a major bonus, if your memory card fills up but you spot a starfish you've been waiting to take a photo of, the internal backup memory will have you covered for approximately 34 more shots. Number 4. Fujifilm FujiColor QuickSnap Marine. Who doesn't love a good disposable camera? These one-time use cameras are nostalgic and simple to use, as well as perfect for someone who rarely has use for an underwater device. A solid choice for a beach vacation, the Fujifilm FujiColor QuickSnap Marine camera will capture anything from pool days to snorkel excursions and can surprisingly go to a depth of 35 feet with the safety of the O-ring sealed case. The preloaded Superior XTRA 800 film can take 27 photos, and the camera floats, to boot. It's as simple as pressing the shutter button underwater to capture water-based vacation fun. Number 5. Kodak PixPro WP-Z2 digital camera. The straightforward operation of the Kodak PixPro WP-Z2 digital camera makes this a great choice for beginners that doesn't sacrifice on features. The 27-108mm and 4x optical zoom lens makes this a versatile camera for capturing photo and video underwater at a depth of up to 49 feet. Use this for snorkeling, a beginner scuba dive, or simply a day at the beach or lake. Burst shooting at 6 frames per second is ideal for capturing quickly moving objects, and the ISO 100/3200 sensitivity light range means low light conditions won't be as much of an issue as with other cameras. For a beginner-friendly underwater camera with fun modes like 360-degree panorama and blink or smile detection, in addition to the ability to go to an impressive depth, the Kodak PixPro is the perfect way to get started with underwater photography.